group has been around now for 3 generations. It first started as a construction company and then over that time has evolved to provide professional services. The group is divided into 3 main parts. The first part is the professional services. The professional services have architects, chartered surveyors, chartered building engineers and interior designers. We then have a construction company. The construction company is managed by chartered builders and chartered building managers, and they carry out all levels of work from a £30,000 domestic extension on somebody's home right through to a bespoke mansion house. So as part of the scheme we did a single story orangery type extension. So we've now extended back by 4 metres and across by some 24 metres. As part of that extension we've incorporated 4 lanterns and also a glazed wall then looking out onto the garden. So we're in the cinema room. This is the size of the cinema where the studwork is, and these housings are to put the speakers in, and the sound from the speakers then will actually come through the screen at the people sitting then in front of the cinema screen. So we're in the party room. This is access from the cinema room. It's got a high vaulted ceiling, and the reason for that is to house the feature lighting that we're going to put in here, because this is going to be where the youngsters come and have their little discos. There's 4 bedrooms, and what we've done is we've enlarged one of the bedrooms. There's a playroom then on the front, because when we've knocked through between the 2 bedrooms with an ensuite in the centre. There's then going to be a set of French doors at the back then for Harley then to look over the back garden, so we're making him a nice long suite. So we wanted to give the house some grandeur. So what we decided to do was to design a path through that leads through to the front door, put an oak door on the front, take away the old porch that was there and create an open porch, but then try and link that in to the 2 bay windows that were already here on each side. So you can see the first floor of the house behind me and then the extension projecting out. What you can't see is where we've done a first floor extension. Once this whole building is rendered, it will look as one modern house from the rear. So we have that wealth of experience along with the family members. We've got team members who are all directly employed by us, being selected because they get on well with all the family members, so then it just enlarges the family. We're a one-stop shop. We're based here. We can do everything from your initial drawing right through to fitting the kitchen sink at the end of the project. So now we're at the end of the build. It's took us 6 months to get to where we are today. We're now going to show you around the outside of the house and around the inside as well, with some of the special features that a Paul Ennis build gets you. So you can see the orangery lanterns now to full effect. They now have electric openers in. Within the ceilings you've got the mood lighting downlighters. You also have the surround sound speakers, as the whole house now has speakers in every room. You can see the electric blinds within the double glazed units. You can now see the completed kitchen with a tap that does soda water and hot water and of course normal water. And you can now see the way the house has been fitted out with a disco room, a home cinema, 2 really smart en-suites, the family bathroom, chandeliers from Harrods. People like the fact that they only have to come to one place and we can do the whole job with all our professional team and all our construction team from start to finish.